Guys, welcome back to another beautiful video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I want to prepare tiger nut drink, and here are my ingredients. I have my tiger nuts here, I have ginger, I have my coconuts. So just make sure you watch this video till the end. And yeah, now I'm going to transfer my ginger and then my tiger nut and coconut into my blender, add it some water and blend it. In case you don't know how to prepare tiger nuts, please make sure you watch this video till the end and learn how to prepare tiger nut drink. It is not difficult, it's just very easy and straightforward. Just make sure you watch the video till the end and learn how to do it. Yeah, so I'm done blending the first batch. I'm going to blend the second batch now. Yeah, so guys, after blending the whole ingredients, I'm going to filter it and the tiger nuts will be ready to drink. You see how creamy, I'm done blending everything. See how creamy and milky it is. Yeah, it is it's going to be very yummy. So just try it and you will like it. Please, if you don't know how to prepare tiger nut drink, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video. Yeah, you can see it is ready. Our tiger nut drink is ready. Yeah, so please don't forget to like this video, share this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.